I've got an HDR 68 valve here, the infamous crimped type, and what I'm going to use is Loctite 680, which is a little bit different than red and blue. This is a retaining compound, less of a thread locker. This is used for metal to metal cylindrical retention, sometimes bearings to shafts, or in this case, cylinder to valve. This is just a whip tip. It's for super glue. I use it when I fix guitars and stuff, but I'm putting it on the 680 just so I don't make a mess. And this is real thin. This is wicking grade, so you don't have to disassemble to apply. And I'm just going to feed it down through. This is good for gaps up to 15 thousandths, which should definitely work here, because if I had gaps over that, I'd be leaking air. And I'm just going to fill this up. And I can see it's running in right now. So I'm just going to let it run in until it's flush. See it wicking in. So just go slow, so you fill all the voids. I may go around twice. I've got somewhere between 4 and 10 minutes for this to set up. It's the standard 24-hour cure before you pressurize it. But this is good stuff. And it might just be the solution. And it's not taking any more. So we'll see what happens. Didn't make too much of a mess. A little drop here and there. Anyway, Loctite 680. It's green, the green stuff.